This is the house of Abet and Marites home. This is 24806. That's his mailbox. That's the road. That's his neighborhood. I'm taking a look. I'm in front of the house and I'm moving around 360 degrees. That's his. That's their neighbor. That's their neighbor in front. Okay. Yeah, so this is a 360 degree that I did around their house. There is their house. So that's 360 degrees ako, as you can see. Okay, now I'm going inside because it's cold. Now, as you can see, right in the front of me is the basketball court. And then they have a playground over there. Old car of Abet. They have a forest at the back. Okay, so there is a wide lawn area. As you can see, these are their neighbors. Ito yung house nila. Okay. Oops. I'm moving in. Go away! There's a cat following me, stray cat. Okay. This is their garage. I'm moving here to their porch. Walkway to the porch. May porch sila. So this is their porch. Yan. Yan ang porch nila. Okay, I'm moving in. Okay, they have and on the porch, coffee shop on the porch here, chair, and this is what you see in the porch. That's their neighbor. I'm standing beside the porch, on the porch. So, yan ang view mo on the porch. Okay. Okay. Oops. Now from the main door,
Hello.
I'm now going to the living area. Television. This is the living area. And then that's Marites swinging Elias.
Yeah, and singing.
This is the living area.
Elias is 2 months and a week old. So
There's a clear aluminum glass overlooking the swimming pool, as you can see. That's the swimming pool area.
aluminum na. Ano
Clear
pangalan
glass.
mo ulit?
Yan ang
Tawag
TV.
sa'yo, Elias? Ano tawag mo
That's
sa'yo?
Marilu and doing her mail on the laptop. Okay. I'm moving.
Masyado yung tempo niya.
Ito ang range of pictures that they have. They have a digital album there.
Sa'yo na order yung digital.
Yun, nagpalit yung digital album.
Papagawa ka sa mga mga Photoshop, tapos sila bahala maglalagay. Ganun ba yun?
Ay, ang sana. Ay, then, dinownload ko lang digital camera. Dinownload
This
ko
is their
Nilagay ko lang dyan.
receiving room.
Dinownload ko din lang. Oh, yun.
Yan, may mga
Yan mismo. May
crystal si Marites. Crystal collection. Collection niya yan. So you're looking at a 360 degrees. I will give a 360 degrees of her receiving room. Pag ganon. Window. Looks okay the window. Okay, this is the 360 degrees. And then we're going across the dining area.
I-off lang niya.
Dining area. As you can see, basta nakakita ka ng Last Supper, it's a house dining area of the Pinoy. Last Supper.
Dito yung mga oven.
Okay. Now, I'm going into the kitchen area. Kitchen area ito. Kitchen area. Oven. Okay. Oven. That's the washing area. And ano, ganon. Okay. Okay. Yan ang informal eating place.
Tita Ariel. Yan.
The breakfast eating place overlooking the swimming pool. Okay. Can I move a little so I can go to the swimming pool?
Oh, Ariel.
Dito sa
Elias is starting to talk. Eh, baka medyo malamigan siya ng konti.
Hindi, sandali lang.
You have to be quick. Up. Okay.
Okay.
I'll close it muna, ha?
Yeah, okay. Now I'm in the swimming pool area. Okay. Yan ang mga upuan nila. Okay. Yan ang swimming pool ni Marites. Okay. Overlooking, and it's fenced in. By law, you have to put in a fence. Ito, meron siyang screen area. Barbecue as usual. Another view of the swimming pool area. Moving in. Moving in, yan ang ano niya. Sitting area. This is the bedroom of Abet and Marites. Sabi ni, pasensya na, magulo daw. Okay. Meron silang TV, Sharp LCD. I'm going into the walk-in closet. Okay. Okay. Oh, may jacuzzi sila. May jacuzzi inside. And then this is the shower area. Okay. And so I'll just do a 90-degree turn.
Maglakad ka sa paligid?
Yeah, that's the stray cat na kanina pang nag-ano yan sa bahay ni Abet. Yan, stray cat. Okay, what's your name? Whitey.
Snow White.
Snow White. Whitey boy. Oh, yan. Oh, stray cat. Meow, meow. Come. Meow, 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 meow. Okay, finish that. This is the surrounding area. I'm in the garage. Ito yung So, ito na yung surrounding area nila. You can see the trees sa likod. It's cold right now, but anyway, I'm just doing this. So, makikita nyo, yan, ang likod. I'm doing this from the garage. Okay. Okay, yan. That's the surrounding. Ayun na yung, Honda ni, Okay, so yung surroundings, okay? Okay, so you saw the surroundings. Ito yung bahay niya. Oh, yan, okay. I'm doing a 360. Okay. Yun si Snow White na So I'm doing a 360 again, starting from Snow White. A 360. Yan yung bahay nila Abet, Marites. Okay, I'm doing a 360 again. Okay, 360. Okay, 360. Okay. I hope it was not so fast.